Today we're at the master plan community of Eagle Springs in Humble, Texas. Checking out our newest listing. Let's go take a look. We're gonna review our top 3 favorite things we love about this home. Let's go take a look. Our number 3 feature we love about this home is the family room. It's open and spacious and very tall ceilings. Our number 2 feature we love about this home is the backyard. It's very spacious for entertaining and you can have lots of fun. Our number 1 feature we love about this home is the kitchen. It has an open floor plan, very spacious for cooking your favorite meals, and it's connected to the dining room.